Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab with Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, and Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse. And we have invited you to join in for a challenge to take a boy doll. We're doing a monthly boy doll challenge. And this month we're using Winston from Karma's World and dressing him in back to school. I really like these dolls, and what I really like about them is they just look like, oh, I don't know, kids. They look like kids, and they're so appropriate for children to play with. What I did for my back to school with Winston was I made him the pair of jeans. I showed the pattern when we did the invitation. I made them a little long, and I got out a Ken shirt for him as well as Ken shoes. And I like shoes without socks, I do. And we also found him a backpack. When I was in school, when I was a little girl, most of the kids that went to school, we would get new school clothes in the end of the summer. Your mom would take you out and buy you a bunch of clothes, and they were always too big at the beginning of school and too small at the end of the year. And your school clothes, you wore to school, then you came home and you changed your clothes before you went out and played. He also has a book in his backpack, and I want to thank Ayla Avar for this. I think she got this in one of her blind ball openings, but I'm glad to have it. Thank you, Ayla. And it fits, just fits in his backpack, which makes it fun. And I love these little backpacks. I got these, oh gosh, I got mine way back when you could still get really good deals on eBay. Look, both of their little pockets work. But you can get these now on AliExpress. They cost a whole lot more now, but they have them in a lot of different colors, and I think they're really cute for the dolls. And you can also change these out and put you know, whatever. I like the zipper pull for the boys. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. If you have joined in today showing your Winston or other boy doll dressed for back to school, please leave that in the comments below, because the hashtags just are not working on YouTube like they used to. Also, I want to thank Cynthia and Gosha for participating in the collab with me doing these boy dolls. We're really having fun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.